Amber Heard's lawyers are so done with this trial. Do you know what it feels like to fight for something but you already know you have zero chances of winning? I think Amber Heard's lawyers felt that. Johnny Depp's team was on fire. They had the best witnesses, the most credible pieces of evidence, and the perfect consistent story. Amber's team were visibly struggling throughout the whole defamation trial. They objected to their own questions, kept repeating what they were asking, and at one point, Elaine Bredehoft even reassured us that she was trying. So when the trial came to an end the other day, fans saw Elaine leave for the bathroom to cry. She went out even before the jury left. She was that exhausted being Amber's lawyer. Those who saw her crying added that they weren't sure why she was crying. Maybe she was overwhelmed with everything that happened. They note that she's also probably tired of a client who constantly abuses her. I mean, Amber doesn't even have the slightest respect for them. She once walked out on them when the judge asked her to sit beside them. She didn't think twice and chose to just leave the courtroom. To be fair, she may be a good lawyer, but we didn't see it because Amber's stories and statements were really confusing. The actress had the audacity to scream at her lawyers, to which they replied that if she didn't like what was happening, she should defend herself. The shouting match was heard by people in court. Amber is also known to fire her teams. She fired her PR team during the early days of the trial because she didn't like how the public viewed her. We all thought she was going to change her lawyers too. Elaine Bredehoft and her whole team tried their hardest with an impossible client to defend. The public and Johnny Depp fans hated them too. They were giving them a hard time when they were literally just doing their jobs. It's bad enough that the whole world watched the entire thing on TV. Imagine the backlash they got. People were turning them into memes. Netizens sided with them when they found out about what happened after the trial. If I had Amber as a client, I'd probably cry too, one Twitter user said. She's a human who is doing a job. While I dislike her client and the tactics she has used to win, she is doing the best she can for a really bad case. Added another, the past 6 weeks were really crazy. Even if most of us didn't like her tactics in court, I'm glad they got through that. That's all we have for now. Thanks for watching.